Hi, this is John with octa-core, and this has been the greatest investment for my mom that we've done in a while. So she constantly is watching Netflix, watching videos, and doing things on YouTube. And this is where this Amazon Fire 10 HD comes into place. She picked it in this nice lavender color that is actually really nice for her. And the good thing is that it has everything that she's gonna need. She's gonna have good web browsing, a good screen for her to watch videos, good setup speakers for her to watch her shows, and for her just to travel. This it's so convenient because she just put it in her purse. Easy to travel with, not so tiny, but still not so big that it's gonna be hard or inconvenient for her to move with. So the materials are well done. Even though this is a plastic, it doesn't feel cheap at all. And it has a great and bright screen that is going to light up every one of the videos that she can actually look for. Great speakers and the performance is good. And one of the things that it's really good from here is the expandable storage. So for her, just to grab and drop in SD so she can watch limited storage and all the storage that she's going to need, so convenient. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point.